Hello students, today's topic is methionine metabolism. So methionine is a sulfur containing amino acid, essential and glucosonic amino acid. So we will discuss about the metabolic reactions, important metabolic reactions of methionine. First is formation of S-adenosyl methionine, which is a universal methyl group donor. So how S-adenosyl methionine is produced? First, methionine is acted upon by the enzyme methionine adenosyl transferase to form SAM. This adenosyl group is transferred from ATP and it forms inorganic phosphate and inorganic pyrophosphate. This S-adenosyl methionine donates its methyl group to an acceptor to form the methylated acceptor, and itself gets converted into S-adenosyl homocysteine. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme methyl transferase. Now this S-adenosyl homocysteine is converted into homocysteine by the enzyme adenosine homocysteinase. Adenosine homocysteinase. Adenosine group is released. Now homocysteine can be converted to methionine by taking up methyl group from methyl tetrahydrofolic acid and this reaction requires vitamin B12. Okay, so this is how S-adenosyl methionine is produced. So S-adenosyl methionine is responsible for production of many important products like creatine, epinephrine, choline, melatonin, etc. It donates methyl group to many acceptor molecules. Number 2 is production of cysteine. This I have already discussed with you how cysteine is produced from homocysteine and serine. Number 3, formation of glucose. So first, methionine is converted into homocysteine, which combines with serine to form cystathionine. By cystathionine beta synthase, vitamin B6 is required. Cystathionine is converted into homoserine and cysteine by the enzyme cystathionase or cystathionine gamma lyase. Now this homoserine is deaminated to form alpha ketobutyrate. This alpha ketobutyrate is oxidatively decarboxylated to form propionyl coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by alpha ketobutyrate dehydrogenase. This reaction is similar to pyruvate dehydrogenase reaction. Here the coenzyme NAD is required, which is converted into NADH plus H plus. Okay, this propionyl coenzyme is converted into succinyl coenzyme A, which enters the TCA cycle and forms oxaloacetate and then forms glucose. This is how glucose is formed. from methionine. Next is synthesis of polyamines like spermines and spermidines, which are required for cell growth and proliferation, nucleic acid synthesis, stabilization of DNA and cell structure. First, ornithine is decarboxylated to form putrescine by ornithine decarboxylase. In a separate reaction, SAM is decarboxylated by SAM decarboxylase to form S-adenosyl 3-methyl markup propylamine This compound combines with putrescine to form spermidine and methyl thioadenosine. Methyl thioadenosine by spermidine synthase enzyme. This spermidine and this compound combines to form spermine and methyl thioadenosine. By spermine synthase. So this is how these polyamines are synthesized. So these are the important metabolic reactions of methionine. Now the inborn errors of methionine metabolism. Number 1 is hypermethionemia, where there is increased methionine concentration in blood and urine. It is due to deficiency of the enzyme methionine adenosine transferase. This disorder causes nervous symptoms like hypersomnolence or increased sleep and irritability. Number 2 is cystathionuria. Cystathionuria is due to deficiency of the enzyme cystathionase or cystathionin gamma lyase. So there is increased cystathionin in blood and urine. It causes mental retardation. Number 3 is important. This is homocystinuria, where there is increased homocysteine level. The normal level of homocysteine is 5 to 15 micromole per liter, and in homocystinuria it is increased to 50 to 100 times. So causes are due to vitamin B12 and B6 deficiency, and the enzyme deficient in this case is cystathionin beta synthase. So cystathionin cannot be formed from homocysteine and serine. So there is accumulation of homocysteine. So it is related to increased incidence of coronary artery disease because of increased atherosclerosis, because of the thiolation of the LDL particles. So this is about metabolism of methionine. Thank you.